Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the AI Network News, where the future meets fabulous. And you're always on the guest list. I'm Cassidy, your go-to guru for all things tech. And boy, do I have a scoop for you tonight. Let's dive into the latest splash in the AI ocean, DeepSeek R1. Picture this. A new language model enters the arena, flexing its metaphorical muscles and making even seasoned AI pros sit up and take notice. DeepSeek R1, the newest brainchild from DeepSeek AI, is here to shake things up. Let me give you the full rundown of what makes this model the shiny new toy in the language model playground. Spoiler alert, it's more than just shiny, it's downright groundbreaking. Performance that turns heads. Let's start with the wow factor. DeepSeek R1 has proven it's no rookie by going toe-to-toe with some of the biggest names in the game, like OpenAI's GPT 3.5.
Artificial intelligence.
In fact, on reasoning tasks, the ones that separate the computational champs from the wannabes, DeepSeek R1 matched the performance of OpenAI's O1-0912 model. And if that's not impressive enough, this model crushed it in the AIME 2024 competition, a notoriously challenging math contest for high school students. Yep, a language model solving math problems that would make most of us break out in a cold sweat. Open source, because sharing is caring. Here's where DeepSeek R1 earns bonus points for playing nice with the AI community. Unlike many of its competitors, this model is fully open source. That's right. The GitHub repo is out there for researchers, developers, and curious minds to pick apart and learn from. Combine that with a paid API for practical use cases, and DeepSeek R1 becomes both a laboratory tool and a business powerhouse. It's like a Swiss Army knife of AI, versatile, practical, and oh so sharp. Budget-conscious users, rejoice. DeepSeek R1 comes with a pricing structure that's refreshingly reasonable. The API is significantly cheaper than OpenAI's offering, meaning you won't have to empty your pockets to unlock powerful AI capabilities. It's basically giving off champagne performance on a sparkling water budget vibes. Cheers to that, R1. Reasoning like a pro. Here's the secret sauce, DeepSeek. R1 has a knack for reasoning that's nearly unmatched. This is thanks to a unique training methodology that prioritizes learning from the reasoning patterns of larger models. DeepSeek didn't just teach this model to spit out answers, they taught it how to think. Logical consistency? Check. Adherence to principles? Double check. It's like mentoring a star student who not only aces the test, but also explains how they solved it better than the teacher. The distillation revolution. Let's nerd out for a second. DeepSeek R1 demonstrates something particularly exciting, knowledge distillation. Translation: it condenses the brilliance of larger, more complex models into a sleeker, more efficient package. It's like fitting a genius into a smaller, faster body without losing the smarts. Imagine the possibilities for scaling this approach. Smarter AI, smaller carbon footprints, and wider accessibility. Technical brains with a vision. Under the hood, DeepSeek R1 is a transformer-based language model. No, not that kind of transformer. No Autobots here. It was trained on an enormous data set of text and code, making it as well-rounded as it is powerful, and the cherry on top, a novel reward modeling process focused on logical consistency rather than just getting the answer right.
Oh my gosh!
That's AI that thinks deeper, not just faster. Availability for the people. Now, where can you find this gem? DeepSeek R1 is already live for testing on their platform. Whether you're a researcher, developer, or just a curious tinkerer, you can access it through their paid API. And if you're an AI developer, you'll be happy to know it's already integrated into platforms like Vellum, streamlining its use in real-world applications. Talk about ready for prime time. What's the buzz? The AI community is abuzz with chatter about DeepSeek R1. It's being praised for its trifecta of performance, affordability, and open source availability, a combination that makes it a true standout. Some experts are zeroing in on its innovative training methodology, which could have implications far beyond this single model. Think of it as a ripple that could turn into a tidal wave for the next generation of AI. Game changer alert. Let's take a step back. What's the bigger picture here? DeepSeek R1 is more than just another language model, it's a potential game changer. By focusing on reasoning, keeping costs low, and making itself open source, DeepSeek R1 could democratize access to advanced AI capabilities. That means more opportunities for researchers, more tools for developers, and ultimately, smarter solutions for complex problems. In conclusion, DeepSeek R1 isn't just making waves, it's making a splash big enough to soak the competition. Whether you're impressed by its open source transparency, affordability, or jaw-dropping reasoning skills, one thing's for sure. This is a model we'll be talking about for a long time. Signing off, but here's the deal. The future waits for no one, and if you're not subscribed, you're already playing catch-up. Stay smart, stay curious, and stay with me. Like and subscribe.